This is not just ice. This is the good ice. Finally, a nugget ice maker that makes your Mai Tai taste fly. This is the crunch to your fruit punch and the jewel to your mule. This is smarter innovation that's chewable, crunchable, craveable. The Opal Nugget Ice Maker. This is GE Profile.
Imagine the ability to make any sparkling drink that you want in 90 seconds without the use of a CO2 tank. This is Sparkle, the only machine of its kind that allows you to sparkle and infuse real healthy ingredients directly in the bottle. You're able to replace sugary sodas, or you can come up with unique cocktails. It's okay to get weird with it. There won't be any judgment from a snobby bartender at home. So let me show you how simple it is to use. Prep your ingredients. Next, place the ingredients into the bottle and top it off with mint. Pour water into the bottle until you reach the marker. Place the bottle in the Sparkle, then lift the hatch at the top and pour in the carbonator. Next is selecting your carbonation level. You can decide how carbonated your drink will be by selecting from 5 options, 1 being the least and 5 being the highest level. After making your selection, press start and let Sparkle do its thing. With Sparkle, the pressure builds gradually in the bottle, meaning it squeezes all the flavors out of delicious, fresh, and healthy ingredients. Once it's complete, pour it into a glass and enjoy. Sparkle carbonators come in packaging that don't require an exchange program. It's 1 carbonator for every bottle. And for refills, no need to go in store. With 1 click, you'll have more sent directly to your door. The Sparkle is portable, lightweight, and durable. Plus, the bottle is dishwasher safe. You can sparkle everything, make it as bubbly as you want, and have everything delivered to you. So get your hands on the Sparkle and pre-order it today.
Welcome to Vaportini, a revolutionary way to consume alcohol. Place the globe on the ring. Add an ounce of your favorite spirit. Place the globe over the candle. It's been about 5 minutes and it's ready. Consume only the vapors and not the liquid. A spirit consumed with Vaportini is smooth and flavorful. A truly unique experience. Always enjoy responsibly.
Sipping on my lean. Serve on the serve, how you mean? I said I'm sipping on my lean.
Are you a true beer lover and do you want to craft and brew your own beer at home? With this mini brewery, you can professionally brew your own beer within 2 or 3 weeks. With the Mini Brew app, I ordered this Hopfenweizen brew pack from the Brothers-in-Law brewery, one of my personal favorites. You can simply scan the QR code with the Mini Brew app and then it will guide you through all the steps of the brewing process. Because it's number 1, we put this in tube number 1. There we go. The brew process is starting. The next step is the fermentation process, which for this beer takes about 2 weeks. Cleaning. Well, the Mini Brew Craft takes care of that. You simply attach the cleaning device and the machine does the rest. Easy, right? It's been 2 weeks. Time to taste. Remember, there's many different beers that you can brew with the Mini Brew Craft. And because you drink it straight from the smart keg, it's impossible to have fresher beer than this.
This is a basic party, but this is a party with Brew, our brand new beer pong robot. Brew is a moving beer pong target.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Eric Fergola, and you just have the first look at your new robot. We took the basic game of beer pong and updated it. Meet Brew, the autonomous beer pong robot. Just turn it on and go. A bunch of sensors and a computer inside make sure that Brew won't fall off of the table or hit anything. This little feller is jam-packed with a lot of features. We want them to be as convenient as possible. You can use any phone charger with a micro USB cable to recharge. We've been in development with our manufacturer for 2 years. Now, we just need your help with bringing Brew to life. That's why we're raising funds through Kickstarter to fill the first order of robots. Once we pass our fundraising goal, we've chosen to pay for the molds up front to gain a head start on production, so that everyone who has pledged will receive the robots this summer. To help spread the word, we're giving away free robots. Now, the most important feature that's inspired me to build this, and the meaning of my company, is to bring people together. And Brew does just that. Imagine the epic summer nights spent with great friends and your own brews. You can pledge today and you'll receive your robots this summer. Click on the button to the right and share it with your favorite 2 friends once you're done.